Hello, what's up guys? In this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat not working on iPhone. So simply, if you are facing this issue in iPhone, simply have to watch this video. So first of all, whenever I have to enter into the Snapchat app, is automatically logged out and it keeps stopping to log in. So simply, how we will fix this issue? So first of all, we have to just enter into the App Store here. So wait some second, page was loading now. So here we have to see a search bar, so we have to search here for the Snapchat. Wait some second. So here we have to see a Snapchat app. We have to check the update. As you can see, update was available, so we have to update the Snapchat app. And if you have still facing this issue, so we have to do an other step. So we have to just enter into the setting here, and simply we have to just scroll down here. Here we see a general, enter into the general and scroll down here the iPhone storage. So wait some second, page was loading now. So whenever our page was loaded, so we have to see here a Snapchat app. With some second, page was just loading now. So we have to just enter into the here's the Snapchat. We have to enter into the Snapchat and the offload app. So we have to offload app once and check it your problem is solved or not. And if you have still facing this issue in an iPhone, so we have to just enter into the Safari and we have to just search here for the Snapchat server. Wait some second, I have just waiting here. So wait some second, Snapchat server. So we have to enter into the first one, Snapchat download status and problem. So wait some second. So here is a 9:04 p.m. There's a 3 reports available here, and here's a 5 and 90 p.m. There's a 2 reports available, and we have to checking here our Snapchat is down. So as you can see now, so we have to check here our Snapchat is down. So simply we have to check what kind of problem people are facing here. So simply have scroll down here. So here's a 100% is a login problem that we are facing. So they will fix this issue within a 24 hour. So simply, if my video is helpful, please like, share and make sure you have subscribed my channel. Thanks for watching my video.